So what does Allah mean by saying we can reconstruct the very tips of a finger? After science advanced in 1880, Sir Francis Galt had discovered the fingerprinting method. And he said that no two fingerprints, even in a million people, are identical. That means the tips of the finger have got fingerprints. And these fingerprints differ between all the individual human beings. Even in a million people, no two fingerprints will match exactly. So today, the police, the CID, the CIA, they use the fingerprinting method to identify the criminal or the robber, or if any theft has taken place. In identification, fingerprint is used. Now we use it for opening a lock. Put the fingerprint, the lock opens. So Allah says, on the day of judgment, leave aside the bones after they have been disintegrated. I can even reconstruct in perfect order the very tips of the finger.